Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to change your Windows 11 taskbar position via Registry. So if you want to use it, open up Registry, just open up your start menu, type in regedit and open up this app right here. After that guys, navigate to this path right here, click enter. After this guys, you need to look at the row of numbers, then you need to modify this settings value. So open up this window and look at the second row of numbers labeled 3 zeros and 8. So look at this second row as you can see, and you need to look for the fifth pair of numbers. So right now as you can see in my case it's going to be 3. Right here as you can see 3. So click your mouse cursor right behind that 03 like this, hit backspace and type 01. And your second row should look the same except for the changes you've made. Then you just click OK once you change them, and after that, to apply the changes, you just restart your PC. And that's it. You'll force pin a taskbar to a certain location that you need. And also I forgot to tell you guys, depending on the numbers you put in, you will have these values. So by default it's going to be set to 03. If you change it to 01, it's going to be top, 00 is going to be left, and 22 is going to be right. That's it. Enjoy guys.